Morning mga fitness. So today is Wednesday. So home workout tayo ng how to 3 different of home workout of push up. So beginner to intermediate, advanced. So upper, middle, and lower. Yan. So progression and regression. So paano natin siya ipo-progress or regression. So tip to para sa mga beginner and intermediate and advanced. So my first workout is normal push up. So 20 reps. Normal push up. So target muscle is upper chest. Twenty reps. So paano mo siya ipo-progress or regression? So yan. So po-progress natin o regression yan. So, forward mo lang tong iyong dalawang paa. Then push up ka na. Wide mo yung dalawa mong kamay. So 15 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. So next workout is, so sunod natin is upper chest. Yan. So incline push up. So 15 to 20 reps. So dito tayo mag-i-incline push up. So gagawin ko mga fitness is progression then regression. So 15 reps mga fitness. So po-progress ko naman siya mga fitness. So gagawin ko naman is sa wall. Itong wall. Wall push up. Then 15 reps din. Yan. So last workout natin is yung pinaka decline push up. So main purpose ng target muscle naman is dito sa pinaka lower ng chest. So paano natin siya ipo-progress o progression. Yan mga fitness. 15 reps. Then 3 sets. Pa 15 reps na ako sa decline push up. So po-progress ko naman siya kung paano mga fitness. So 15 reps din. So ito mga fitness. So ipo-progress ko naman dito. So mas mababa naman dito sa may dito. Mas mababa naman siya. Dito kasi sa higaan ko medyo mataas na. Ito mababa naman. Yan. So yun lang yung workout natin sa 3 different home workout. So beginner to intermediate, and advanced. So para sa ating upper chest, middle chest, lower chest, then inner chest. So yun lang mga fitness. So stay fit and strong.